Chapter 8 Secrets. Every one of today's most famous and familiar idea was once unknown and unsuspected. The mathematical relation between a triangle side. For example, it was secret for mathematicians, but Pythagoras find the solution. Now this secret is easy. Every student has learned that it's a Pythagoras statement. But before the Pythagoras find this solution, it's a mystery for the world. What is valuable company? Basically, valuable company is a work on secret which left in the world. They are probably may world-changing company yet to be started. Here, author give four social trends have conspired to root out belief in secret. First is incrementalism. From the early stage, we are taught that the right way to do thing is to process one very small step at time, grade by grade. If, but not that's true. You have to grab some knowledge, not grade by grade, but in exponential graphically way. Then you can achieve something. Second, risk aversion. People are scared of secret because they are scared of being wrong. By definition, a secret hasn't been vetted by the mainstream. If your goal is to never make a mistake in your life, you shouldn't look for secret. Third is compulsancy. Social elites have the most freedom and ability to explore new thinking, but they seem to believe in secret the least. Why search for new secret if you can comfortable collect trend on everything that has already been done? Fourth, flatness. As globalization advances, people perceive the world as one homogeneous, highly competitive market. The world is flat. It's a wrong. Just a believe in yourself and work. Definitely, it's a work will be done in some times. It's take time, but definitely it's a done. And very few people take unorthodox ideas seriously today. And the mainstream seems that as a sign of progress. If you do apart from mainstream, definitely it took time, but it gave you the great things. And secret is never ending. Remember one thing. In 1990, the HP has a worth $9 billion. Then 1991, HP released the DeskJet, the world's first affordable color printer. In 1993, it launched OmniBook, the first super portable computer. And so on, if find the secret and make the product. And in the 2000, its the price is 135 billion. But now HP think it's over to find secret. And for that decision, its the market valuation is decreasing. And the end of 2005, its a market capitalization is only just a $70 billion. So there is always a secret in the world. Just find it and make product. Don't think secret are gone. Secret is still left in the world. After the crash of bubble.com, still there is a internet 2.0 where Facebook, Airbnb, Cred, Lyft, Uber company are making millions of dollars because they find the secret. Find a secret. You face a choice. Do you tell anyone or do you keep it to yourself? Now, if you have a perfectly conventional belief, it's really a good idea to tell everybody everything that you know. So, who do you tell? Whoever you need to and no more. In practice, there is always a golden mean between telling nobody and telling everybody. And that's a company. The best entrepreneurs know this. Every great business is built around a secret that's hidden from the outside. Thank you.